Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to add table in Canva. So let's get started. At first let's get into Canva app. So here it is. Now click on this plus sign over here. You can choose any of this format. For now let's go for doc. Now click on this plus sign over here and click on elements. Now here we can see this table option over here. You can simply tap on any of these as per your need. So let's go for this one. Now here you can add the text as per your need. You can increase the size or edit this as per your requirement. You can change the color, border and text size as well as anything you want. And you can click on more for various other options. So this is it. This is how you can add table in Canva. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.